The Samsung A57 5G brings an impressive upgrade to the mid-range lineup with specs that push it close to flagship territory. It features a smooth 120Hz FHD plus Super AMOLED display, delivering vibrant colors and excellent clarity for gaming, streaming, and everyday use. Powering the device is the Snapdragon 8's Gen 4 processor, giving it exceptional performance for multitasking and demanding applications. One of its standout strengths is the huge 7,000 mAh battery, supported by 65W fast charging, ensuring long usage times and quick top-ups. For photography, the A57 5G packs a powerful 200MP main camera, capable of capturing highly detailed and sharp images. Storage and memory are equally impressive, with 512GB of internal storage and 32GB of RAM, making the phone ideal for heavy users who need plenty of space and smooth performance. Overall, the Samsung A57 5G is designed for users who want flagship-level features at a more accessible price.